Hi. In this video, we're introducing a practical course that teaches you how to build local LLM large language model applications using Python and Ollama. In this course, you'll learn how to run large language models locally with Ollama and how to create chatbots, generate content, and automate processes. This course, originally priced at around €50, is now being offered to you 100% free with no cost whatsoever. This is an incredible opportunity you don't want to miss. Stay with us to learn how you can take advantage of this unique offer. Simply open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com on Google or any other search engine you use. From the search results, click on the link to access the site. To ensure you're directed to the correct page, make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly as shown in the search bar. Double-check that the link is typed correctly, and then click on it to be redirected to the desired page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, there are various sections that allow you to select your desired category and easily find the course you're looking for. On the opened page, the courses within the selected category are displayed, including our desired course. By clicking on its link, we are directed to the course's dedicated page. The course page will open, containing information about the course, available discounts, and the expiration date. Be sure to check the discount expiration date. To access the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I got this course 100% free through gotodiscounts.com, instead of paying €50. But hurry! This amazing discount is only available for the next 2 days, so don't wait. Take advantage of this offer while you still can. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos and support us in creating even better content. Thanks for being with us.